Welcome back to Auto Wonder. The 2026 Hyundai IONIQ 5 continues to push boundaries, not just as an EV, but as a bold statement in modern design, technology, and sustainable driving. After turning heads since its debut, the latest version builds on that legacy with even more refinement and forward-thinking innovation. From the outside, the IONIQ 5 retains its distinctive pixelated LED lighting and retro-futuristic silhouette. But subtle updates give it a sharper, more aerodynamic edge, thinner headlight clusters, redesigned bumpers, and refined wheel patterns that improve airflow. Expect new two-tone color combinations and perhaps a limited inline appearance package for those wanting a sportier vibe. This isn't just an EV, it's a conversation starter. Inside, the cabin remains a sanctuary of modern minimalism. Expect recycled materials and a more immersive tech experience. Dual 12.3-inch displays now run an updated Hyundai UX with enhanced voice control, over-the-air updates, and wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, finally untethered. The sliding center console and flat floor continue to offer versatility, and there's talk of even more advanced ambient lighting and premium upholstery for higher trims. That on the safety front, Hyundai SmartSense 2.0 is expected to expand capabilities, offering highway driving assist, junction turn assist, and AI-powered adaptive cruise that learns your driving habits. A new attention monitoring system could also be on board to boost long-distance safety. Performance-wise, Hyundai is expected to enhance battery and motor efficiency for 2026. While the current lineup offers rear-wheel or all-wheel drive with up to 320 horsepower, the new model may stretch that to 340, especially in dual-motor variants. Driving range could also see an increase, potentially reaching 320 to 340 miles on a full charge, thanks to battery chemistry improvements and optimized thermal management. Charging remains a highlight. Built on Hyundai's eGMP platform, the IONIQ 5 supports 800V ultra-fast charging, meaning you can get from 10 to 80% in about 18 minutes at compatible stations. V2L, vehicle to load, technology also returns, allowing you to power tools, laptops, or even charge another EV right from the car. Prices for the 2026 IONIQ 5 are expected to start around $43,000, with fully loaded AWD trims exceeding $55,000. Whether you're drawn by its striking looks, rapid charging, or silent punch of torque, the IONIQ 5 proves you don't have to compromise style for sustainability.